Habang todo ang pagpapamalas ng galing ng Estados Unidos at Pilipinas sa balikatan ngayong taon, umaalma ang China. Banta raw ang joint military drill sa seguridad ng rehiyon. Ang detalye sa Agenda Report ni Francis Folde.
Binisita ni U.S. Marine Forces Pacific Commander at U.S. Exercise Balikatan Director Lieutenant General James Glynn ang AFP headquarters sa Camp Aguinaldo. Sinamahan siya ni AFP Vice Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Jimmy Larida sa pag-ikot. Tinalakay nila ang impact ng 3 linggong annual joint military drill, tampok ang full-scale battle scenario. Sa ika-40 pagsasanay, ipinagmalaki ni Glynn ang highlight ng War Games 2025. Ito ang Integrated Air Missile Defense Simulation na inaasahang personal na papanoorin ni PBBM. Kaugnay nito, gagamitin ang ilang sophisticated US weapon kabilang ang Nemesis Anti-Ship Missile System at US Typhoon Mid-Range Missile System na unang ginamit noong 2024. Bukod pa ang Marine Air Defense Integrated System o MADIS na isang short-range platform specialized sa pagpapabagsak ng drone.
We stand, as Balikatan means, shoulder to shoulder with the Philippines and the United States, and all of us with a commitment to peace and a dedication to security throughout the Indo-Pacific. And it is why in Balikatan 25, 40 iterations later, you will experience that we will push ourselves individually further and our equipment and our capabilities to the edge of what their capabilities are in a commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific.
Agad bumuelta ang Beijing. Ayon kay China Foreign Ministry spokesperson Guo Jiakun, kinokompromiso ng Manila at Washington ang regional stability.
The Philippines, in collusion with countries outside the region, conducts large-scale military exercises, introduces and deploys strategic and tactical weapons, undermines regional strategic stability, damages the region's economic growth prospects, and openly stands on the opposite side to regional countries. This has already aroused strong aversion and opposition from regional countries.
Una rito, sinabi rin ng China na iligal ang pagpasok ng Philippine Frigate sa Scarborough Shoal nitong weekend. Ayon sa Chinese Navy, nilabag ng Pilipinas ang soberenya at mga batas sa karagatan ng China. Sagot naman ng Philippine Navy, nagsagawa ng routine maritime patrol ang BRP Apolinario Mabini sa Bajo de Masinloc at matagumpay raw nitong naisagawa ang misyon base sa ruta nito. Muli rin itong giniit na sakop ng territorial sea ng bansa ang Bajo de Masinloc. Baluktot na impormasyon din daw ang kwento ng China na para sa internal audience nila. Para sa Agenda, Francis Polbe, Billionario News Channel.